Everyone, so the eyes are primed, and of course we're gonna go in with my favorite everyday palette, which is the itsjudytime palette. I love her palette. I actually did a challenge where I use each shade in her challenge in her palette, and I will have that link below. So yeah, now I'm gonna be taking this nice warm color, and I'm gonna be applying it right up under the first color that we use, which is a nice pretty light brown, and I'm just gonna take that into the crease. Now that we have cut the crease, I'm just going to go ahead and set everything. I did it off camera. And I'm just going to take this pretty green from this Wet n Wild palette. And all I'm doing is basically just patting the shade onto the lid. And that's how I get the most payoff from a cut crease. If I don't pat it, it's not going to turn out right. So if I just pat it with force, but not too much force, it turns out amazing. So that's how I was able to accomplish the cut crease method. Just a smidget. I'm still trying to get it down packed, but that's how I was able to accomplish it. Okay. Then I'm going to be taking that dark brown. I'm just going to reapply it to the crease where the cut crease starts, because you don't want to see no harsh lines. While I'm reapplying the shade, I'm also just blending out harsh lines, etc. Then I'm going to be taking the highlight from the palette, and I love this shade because it's not too over the top and it does not take away a look. And then I'm going to be applying my eyeliner, which is the Color Workshop's eyeliner, which is my favorite. And then after that, I'm going to be applying I'm going to be applying mascara and then also lashes, and that completes the look.